Today we will learn how to edit your photo as like cinematic picture. Open Lightroom app and select your photo. Go in Light option. Exposure 0.70 EV. Contrast -30. Highlights -65. Shadows +20. Whites -60. Blacks -20. Select curve option and do exactly as I am doing. Go in color option. Prints +35. Go in color mix. Select orange. Saturation -30. Luminance +20. Select yellow. Hue -100. Saturation -30. Select green. Hue -100. Saturation -100. Select test. Hue +10. Select blue. Hue -20. Saturation -45. Done. Go in effects option. Extra +10. Clarity +10. At -50. Midpoint +35. Feather +65. Done. Go detail option. Sharpening +2. Noise reduction +50. Color noise reduction +50. Smoothness +100. Details +100. Now your editing is complete. You can see the results. The picture look like cinematic. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.